What's up, guys and gals? So today we're going to teach you how to roll your fenders using, we're going to take off the wheels of the impact. You need a heat gun and crescent and this tool, and then we're going to bend these ends so that we don't have any more rubbing issues. So let's get started. Alright. First we're going to take the wheels off. So you use your crescent, you can adjust that, so you can adjust from there, you can adjust from down there, and you get it so it's right on the edge there. We're going to fold that back up first and then use the guard roller to push this out further, but you want to get the sharp part here rolled up first. It's your heat gun so you do not crack the paint. Turn the heat gun on, you heat it up as you start rolling. So start to roll up and you just keep adjusting it as you go until you don't think you're gonna rub anymore. So now you can see it's much more bent up. It shouldn't cut down. And you can remove your tool and put your wheel back on. And that's how you use a guard roller.
Check us out online at GearHeadGirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at GearHeadGirl69.